Good day, everyone. This is Sir Don, and welcome to another learning session. Today, we're going to discuss or to have cycle number 3 of reading, and today's topic is about main ideas and supporting details. Let me read to you the lesson objectives of the day. You will demonstrate the ability of analyzing main ideas and supporting details in the college appropriate reading materials that I will give you, and to also evaluate yourselves regarding your reading comprehension skills. Specifically, we're targeting identification of main idea, answering reading comprehension practice tests as always for reading sessions, and comprehension skills need. You will reflect on that later on. Class identifying the main idea, supporting details, and topic are very important because these are the foundations of strong reading comprehension skills. The main idea is the central thought or the heart of the text, whereas the supporting details, on the other hand, are the pieces of evidences or explanations to strengthen and clarify the said main idea. And of course, the topic is the general subject being discussed, and without recognizing these elements, it becomes difficult to grasp the full meaning of any text. This is where reading comprehension practice tests become valuable, which we always do during reading sessions. It helps measure and improve how well we understand what we read, and these tests that we opt for you to answer help measure and improve how well you understand what you read. These tests train us to think critically, to organize our ideas, and connect information effectively. So, kapag tinignan natin yung pag-identify ng topic, main idea, and supporting detail, hindi lang classroom exercise. Ito ay skill that builds the foundation for becoming an effective reader, thinker, and communicator by and large. Okay? Now, I have here a sample paragraph, and I want you to identify the topic and the main idea. Okay, you may pause this video for a minute or two and try to answer it by reading it and identify the topic and the main idea. Okay, assuming that you've read already and identified it, of course, if you would read, the ability to follow direction is an important skill that you can use all your life. Scarcely a day goes by without the need to obey directions. Cooking, baking, driving, taking medications, taking exams, and a lot more truly require the ability to follow directions. If we analyze this, okay, and we said a while back that the topic is the general subject and the main idea is the complete sentence that includes the topic and what the author wants to say about it, then therefore we can conclude that the main idea here is the ability to follow direction is an important skill that you can use all your life. Basically, because this is a complete sentence that includes the topic, which is what? The ability to follow directions. And it includes also what the author wants to say about it, which is having the ability to follow directions as an important skill that you can use all your life. Okay, that's how you identify main idea and the topic. Okay, now, ano ba ang pinagkaiba ng topic and ng main idea? The topic is the general subject, as what I have said sa ating example, sa isang essay or isang paragraph or isang writing or isang text. Topics are simple and are described with just a word or a phrase. Okay? Next, well, the main idea is a complete sentence that includes the topic and what the author wants to say about it. So, ibig sabihin, okay, ito din ay tinatawag na topic sentences or topic sentence. And in some cases, the paragraph does not have a topic sentence. Okay, may mga ganon. And the main idea is only implied. Therefore, The topic is the subject of the text. Okay? Usually, this is just a word or a short phrase. Say for example, ano yung topic kanina nung noong ating first paragraph? Of course, yung ability ng pag-follow ng directions. Okay? So that's the topic. Okay? Now, ano pang ibang example ng topic? Say for example, the writing is about climate change. Then climate change is the topic. The topic is about friendship. The topic is about Philippine history. These are broad ideas. Okay? Ano naman yung main idea? Yung main idea, this is the most important point or message that the author wants to express about the topic. It is a complete thought, katulad ng sinabi natin kanina, complete sentence, kung saan it explains what the author is saying about the subject. Okay? Let's say, for example, kunin natin yung example natin kanina na ability to follow directions. Ano ba yung sinasabi ng author na about sa ability to follow directions? Sinasabi niya na importanteng skill ito dahil magagamit mo ito sa iyong buhay, okay, in all of your life. And that is basically is the main idea. A complete sentence that includes the topic, which is the ability to follow direction, and the main idea or the statement that the author wants to say about the topic, which is the ability to follow direction as an important skill that you may use or you can use in life. Let's give another example. For example, social media. Okay, social media is the topic because it's the broad idea. But if you say excessive use of social media can negatively affect students' academic performance, it is an incomplete sentence which states the topic and what the author says or what to say or want to say about the subject. Therefore, can be categorized as the main idea. Now, I have prepared here sample paragraphs. These are 6 paragraphs, and I want you to identify the topic and the main idea of these separate paragraphs. Again, these are 6 paragraphs. Okay, I want you to identify the main idea and the topic of the given texts. And of course, as part of our reading sessions, this is cycle 3. I have prepared this a reading practice test, good for 25 minutes. This is activity 4.1, which is reading comprehension tests. Okay, I want you to read the material, the text, and carefully answer the questions as best as you can. Okay, the questions are only items 1 to 21. Okay, I'll be putting the reading test on our website. Okay, you write the letter of your answers in the answer sheet, or I think I will be giving a Google form for this where you can directly answer. And of course, once you're done, you have to submit it on the submission bin. Also, I want you to submit the reading paragraphs and identifying topic and main idea. Previously mentioned 6 items, 6 paragraphs, and upload it also on the submission bin and do the reading tests by reading it and answering the reading comprehension questions. Today, we have discussed identifying the topic and the main idea, and also conducted a reading comprehension skill practice so that you can self-evaluate your needs for reading comprehension skills and to further and develop your comprehension or reading comprehension skills and fluency. This has been Sir Don, and thank you so much. If you have other questions and clarifications, feel free to message me. Thank you so much for listening.